Julia Cat.
Hi, my name is Julia.
My name's Kat.
And this is the Julia Cat Productions. And we're gonna do a BFF tag. I don't know what day, but we might do it tomorrow. So just put comments down and just put comments down, and there could be only 20 questions. So if you already see 20 questions down there, don't comment, but just like do a bonus, because we might do some bonuses.
Yeah, and tell who you want to answer the question, like Kat.
Okay, so put okay, what's your eye color, and then in parentheses put Kat or Julia.
Yeah,
exactly.
But I don't think you really need it.
Thank you. Bye.